Hello friends, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. I wish you a happy new year 2022. I think and I feel to share a strategy with you because I am receiving a request from many of my subscribers to at least give them a strategy which they can use. So I plan to give one of my strategy what I am using. Also personally I am also using, and some of my students are also using this strategy. This is a very simple strategy. I named this strategy as a ROBO strategy. The reason behind giving the name as ROBO strategy is that in this strategy you don't have to use your brain. You have to simply follow the candlestick pattern, and there is nothing to think that whether I will take the entry or no. It's a very simple strategy what I am using. For this, as you can see, I have taken the Bank Nifty. Okay, and for this strategy we are using the time frame of 5 minutes. Also you can see friends, this one, the what I'm using this application is now Fires. If you want to open any account in the Fires, you can directly click the link below and you can open the account. So first I will go to the 5 minutes. So our strategy, this is our ROBO strategy as I named the strategy, and for this strategy we are using the 5 minutes candlestick bars. And friends, if you find this strategy helpful, please share it with your other retail traders, friends and groups, so many others can also benefit from this strategy. So without wasting any more time, we will just start the setup. So as I told you, first you have to go to the Nifty chart and you have to select this 5 minute. For this strategy, we have to wait for the first 5 minutes candle to end. Once it ends, we will mark the high and we will mark the low of this candle. Okay, this is our first step. We have to wait for the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes candle finish, we will mark the high and we will mark the low. So next what we have to do, once we do this, we have to take the entry on the breakout of that 5 minutes first 5 minutes candle. So for example, in this you can see this one, it break out. So once it break out, you take the entry. Okay, but in this strategy we can take in a day maximum 2 times entry. So when you put the entry here, your stop loss will be above the candle or you can put it at the 50%. It depends upon your risk capacity. So for this strategy, as you can see, suppose we have today, this is today's chart, we have taken the entry on the first 5 minutes candle. So once you get the entry here, then it goes up little, then it comes down. See here in this candle you get the entry in the second candle. Okay, so it breaks the low. So this is your entry number 1. Once you take the entry, you can see it comes little down and your SL is above the first 5 minutes candle. So your stop loss is hit. Again what you do, you have to take the second entry once again this first 5 minutes bar is taken out. So when you take the entry here, see how much rally you are getting. Today is an exceptionally one-sided rally is there, but I will show you, just give me some time in this video and just wait the video full, because anyway you have tried lot of strategies and end of the day you are losing money, correct? So that is the reason you are watching this video. So at least watch this video for 5 or 10 minutes video, whatever, so you will know till the end. Okay, so once you take the entry here, this is again your entry point, first stop loss hit, and this is your second entry. Once you take the entry, you can see how much profit you can make today. This is only not one day, friends. Just check in this strategy, I will show you the full thing. So if you go one day before, see again you mark the candle high, you mark the candle low. So once it break, you take the entry and you get a good profit. This looks a small bar, but I will show you how much is the by points. This is 235 points. So basically in options, if you take the trade, this is a very fast movement. So in the option price, you will get around 50 to 70% increase will be there in only 5 minutes. So this is for the second day. You see consecutive, you make a profit. Again, I will show you third day. There are some conditions. See, this is a nobody. Okay, when nobody is there, you should better avoid those bars. So what you will do, you will follow the second bar. Okay, so second bar, if you follow, you again put the stop loss, you put the mark here, you put the mark here. So once you take here, you see this in the first bar, it does not work. So first trade you make a loss, second trade again you make an entry here, and this is the amount what you get. So we will see how much is the by points. So this is close to around 77 points you are getting. Please note one thing, that every day you will be not making profit. There are some rules, you have to follow the rules. I will now tell you the rules. But before that, we will check one more day. See, on the 29th, again if you mark the high and low. And see friends, for a bigger candles, you have to take the body. I suggest to take the body, because if you take this much big, then if one stop loss hit, all will finish for you. So in this, on 29th also, you see you get a good rally of 118%. So in your option premium, you will make a profit of around 30 to 40%. If you see the other day, on the 28th, again, we will mark the candles high and low. You take the entry and you see how much profit you make. Till the low is 180. 180 is the profit. This is like that. If you check, in some days you will get a really huge profit. Some days you will get your stop losses hit also. On the 27th, if you again see, you mark the candle high, you mark the candle low. Once it break, you see how much profit you can make. It gives around 543 points, friends. So friends, it's not like that every day it will work, but some of the days it will hit your stop losses. You should know whenever your stop loss comes, you should give that stop loss to the market. If you are not giving that stop loss to the market, then the market will take your 4 or 5 days profit. See, in this day again on the 24th, if you have taken the entry, your entry point would be here. In a straightforward, you get 449 points rally. It's a huge rally, huge rally. Again on the 23rd, if you see, this is on the 23rd, if you mark the first 5 minutes candle, if you take the entry from here till the low, it's 121 points. So this is 121 points, means you will get around 30% profit in your options trading. So friends, I will just share some of the rules for this strategy. First of all, in a day, you can take maximum 2 entries. First, you take the entry on the first of the 5 minutes. Okay. Suppose this comes down, so you make a profit. Okay. Suppose here it comes a green candle, then again it comes a green candle here. So it will hit your stop loss. When it hit your stop loss, you will take the second entry above this candle's high. So once you take the second entry, suppose again it makes a red candle and it breaks the low. So finish. For that day, you will close the system. You will not take any more trade. Friends, you have to know that you are doing the trading to make money. It's not like that you will do the trade one after another. Someday you will lose. For example, some days, as you can see, only in the last 10 days I have shown you, you are making a 400 500 points profit also. So in the options, you will get more than doubling your amount, more than 100% profit will be there. So always try to take the small losses. Taking the losses is very much important in this market. If you are not ready to give to the market will take all from you. So better to give small losses to the market. And in a day, you should not take more than 2 entries. You should limit that thing. For example, suppose, see, again on this day, if you mark the candles, the body, this is a very small stop loss you are hitting. We are collecting the body. First you make the loss, and second trade if you go, you make the profit. It's 300 points profit. Okay, so if it comes, you will be doing it. And in this system there is nothing, no brain is required in this strategy. It's just like a robot. You have to work. You mark the first 5 minutes candle high, first 5 minutes body is low, and you take the trade. If it don't work, take the SL. Second trade you again take. Again, if it don't work, close the system for that day. And what I friends suggest you for this, you can backtest the strategy first. What you do for the last 1 month, what you do now for the month of December, you can make the backtest of this strategy, make in the Excel sheet and check how much profit you are making and how much losses you are making. And few more points, whenever you are taking the trade, the lot size should be same for every day. The option price should be same for the every day. For example, one day you are taking 300 rupees options, one day you are taking 100 rupees options. It will not work. If you are taking 150 rupees options, every day you have to take 150 rupees options. If you are taking 200 rupees options, every day you have to take 200 rupees options. And your stop loss amount per trade should be fixed. These are very important points. Per day stop loss and per trade stop loss, it should be fixed, and it should not be more than 1 or 2% of your capital. And for option tradings friends, if you are doing, you should divide your capital at least into 5 or 10 parts and use one part at a time only. Otherwise friends, you will lose all the capital. And friends, please backtest this strategy and let me inform. If you are happy with this strategy, if you give me more likes in this video, I will modify this 5-minute strategy more, and it is more accurate you will get in this one. And I am planning to make few more videos also. Once I will try to make one more video on the candlestick pattern. I am planning to make the video. Then few videos more I will make for the Bank Nifty weekly option strategy on the expiry day. I will make one strategy for that, and I'm planning for some equity strategies also. So friends, if you like this video, please support it with the other friends and members so many others can also benefit from it. As of now friends, for today, thank you and bye bye.